Hey guys, so here are the three most important things that I believe that we need to be doing to help control weeds, because there's not a one fix for everything. So the first one is going to be on an effective weed control and fertilization program. We want to make sure we're getting the nutrients to our grass so it's healthy, and we want to make sure we're getting a pre-emerge down to help reduce the amount of weeds that are coming up and removing the weeds that are existing with a post-emergent. And that's obviously kind of seems like a given, and it can be very effective. The second thing that we need to be doing is mowing frequently, and this is a very important one because there are certain weeds that you can only treat certain times of the year, or even if you've sprayed them, sometimes the mode of action takes a while for it to take effect, and they do different things, whether it kills the weed, whether it'll stop it from going to seed. So as you mow it, you will probably not see it really come up again, and it won't reseed and then repopulate. There are a number of other ways that this goes about, but frequently mowing, generally we recommend once a week, and that is very healthy for your turf and also helps control the weed population. And the way it is healthy for your turf, what it does, you'll actually get a more dense canopy, which will help choke out weeds as well. And then the third one and the last one is irrigating properly. We want to make sure that you're getting the proper amount of water down into the lawn to make sure you have a healthy turf. The root system is deep, nice and deep. This is also why I always talk about watering deeply. When you do water, it needs to be infrequent. So watering 5 times a week is normally a very bad thing. Watering twice a week should be the most you ever really need to do, and you can get a very healthy lawn doing it that way. And once a week can be okay too, but it can be a struggle if we get like this summer where we're above 100 degrees every day. But those are the top 3 that I believe that'll really help control the majority of all your weeds. And if you have any questions, just put it in the comments below, and y'all have a good day. Thanks a lot.